Welcome to Super Easy Physics and Mathematics. Today we are looking at episode 5 of our SURDS series, and in this episode we are going to look at how to easily rationalize SURD. What we mean is you convert the denominator of the SURD into a rational number. So if you look at this, like this root 6, we can convert it so that it becomes a number that is rational. So let's look at rationalize the following SURDs. 1 over square root 2. Now for you to convert the denominator to a rational number, multiply it with the SURD equivalent to root 2. So multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number. So what we need to do is 1 over root 2 multiplied by root 2 over root 2. Root 2 cancel root 2, it's like we are multiplying it by 1 tactically. So 1 multiplying root 2 will become root 2 in the numerator, while root 2 multiply root 2 is 2. So 1 over root 2 is the same thing as root 2 over 2. Now rationalize 5 over root 3 take away root 2. For you to do this, in this case, you know that whenever you multiply a SURD by its conjugate, you can easily convert it to a rational number. So what we need to do is root 3 take away root 2, multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of root 3 take away root 2, which is root 3 plus root 2. So let's use it to multiply both the numerator and denominator. So this is the conjugate, root 3 plus root 2. Use it to multiply. So 5 multiply root 3 plus root 2. So that will give 5 root 3 plus root 2. Then the denominator is difference of 2 square. Root 3 take away root 2 multiply root 3 plus root 2. As we explained earlier, so this will become root 3 square take away root 2 square if you expand. So, and root 3 square is the same thing as 3 take away 2, which is 1. The denominator is 1. So the final answer is going to be 5 into root 3 plus root 2. Rationalize 5 root 7 take away 7 root 5 divided by root 7 take away root 5 as a denominator. So to carry out this one, you need to multiply both the numerator and the denominator with the conjugate of root 7 take away root 5, which is root 7 plus root 5. So multiply by conjugate of denominator. So we have this. So the denominator is very easy. So that will become root 7 square take away root 5 square, which is 7 take away 5, which is 2. So the denominator will become 2. So let's expand the numerator using the way we normally expand quadratic expression. So expand the numerator and denominator. So we do that. If we take 5 root 7, use it to multiply root 7 plus root 5. That's how we have this. Then next, take this 7 root 5, use it to multiply the second bracket, which is root 7 plus root 5. Now 5 root 7 multiply root 7, that is 5 times 7, because root 7 times root 7 is square root of 49, which is 7. Then 5 root 7 multiply root 5 is the same thing as 5 root 35. 7 times root 5 is 35, square root of 35. Then 7 root 5 multiply root 7, that will become 7 root 35. And root 7 root 5 multiply root 5 is the same thing as 7 times 5, because square root of 5 multiplied square root of 5 is 5. So what we are left with is, this is 35, take away 35. So tactically this is off, this is off. So we are left with 5 root 35, take away 7 root 35, which will become negative 2 root 35. 7 take away 5, denominator is 2. 2 denominator divide the 2 numerator, so we are left with negative root 35. That is the final answer. Subscribe to Super Easy Physics and Mathematics.
Subscribe and we will help you to easily upgrade your performance to an A+.
CPAM is the solution to better grade.